Okay, so this video is to introduce you to this template that I have made so that we can all draw a room in 1 point perspective onto it. Now, we've already done this, hopefully. However, this template is a little bit different because we are going to make this room 3D. And before I introduce you to this, I'll just show you a sort of half-made one, a little bit battered. As you can see, it's got these two walls, left and right. It's got a back wall. It's got a ceiling with an interesting light fixture, and it's got floorboards and a rug on the carpet. Okay, so what's going to happen is when you have drawn that and or drawn your contents of the room, you are going to colour that in, and then you're going to cut this in a very special way. You will see on the template that there are green lines, okay? I'm going to get a ruler and just line them a little bit so that you can identify them more in the video. And these green lines are the areas where you will cut very neatly and very carefully with scissors. And the reason I don't want to do thicker lines on your template is because I don't want them showing up on the final work. You are also going to cut along this line and this line here, and so that we have somewhere to hang them up on the wall when you've done them, but you don't need to worry about that. That's for your teacher. We're just going to also cut along there. So all of this will go away, all of this will go away, all of this will go away, and all of this will go away. Okay. Then later on, once we've drawn it all, we will also be folding along anywhere you see a black line, here and here, and also along this rectangle for the back wall, so that we can then glue the purple bits, so they are flaps basically. Glue these purple bits together, and you will see that we will end up with the back of the room sticking outwards, and that is the whole trick, and that's why it's called Reverspective, because you've actually got the thing that is supposed to recede the back of the room, this bit here, is actually coming forward in real life. But something very clever happens when we look at it, especially when we look at it through a video camera. We will see that our eyes will believe this part to be receding, going backwards into space. Okay, so how is this different from just doing a normal room in 1 point perspective? Well, you'll see that these purple bits here won't be in the ultimate piece because it's going to go 3D. So these are just flaps, okay? But the main thing that we need to realise is that anything that is drawn on the walls needs to go to the red vanishing point in the middle. Anything that is drawn on the ceiling needs to go to the vanishing point on the bottom. And anything that is drawn on the bottom, for example, the floorboards, they will line up with the vanishing point on the ceiling, okay? So we're going to draw along with your teacher and do it step by step.